Hello everyone, this is Akash and you are listening to Deshbhakti se Dalali Tak. You know, justice must be allowed to suffer the scrutiny of respectful comment, bona fide criticism and disagreeable opinion, even though it is outspoken by an ordinary man. The context of this statement which I have said is related to the lawyer activist Prashant Bhushan, against whom a suo motu contempt proceeding was initiated by Honorable Supreme Court. A notice had been served to him and Twitter India, apparently based on 2 tweets made by him. Although the contempt definition is not defined in Contempt of Court Act 1971, but its meaning can be understood as any conduct that tends to bring the authority and administration of law into disrespect or disregard is considered to be a contempt of court. That is a simple meaning. But if we analyze both the tweets, one in which CGI Bobde was on a Harley Davidson bike cost rupees 50 lakh without mask and was registered in the name of local BJP leader's son, and the second one in which he commented on last for CGI, he means Prashant Bhushan. If we see some expression used in the first tweet, like CGI on Harley Davidson, whose cost is 50 lakh, without mask, and the bike belongs to BJP leader. These expression is a proved fact established by documentary evidence. Without having mask is a direct evidence which can be seen in photo itself. Being in administrative head of Supreme Court, how CGI can be so ignorant? Now it is important to understand that CGI is not a court, and thus raising question on his action outside the court does not amount to disrespect or disregard of administration of law, or does not amount to scandalizing the court, or does not amount to lowering the authority of the court. I think Prashant Bhushan is just raising issue of concern regarding the manner in which CGI conduct himself during lockdown or court vacation. The first tweet is a bona fide criticism on CGI which should not be seen as a contempt of Supreme Court. If it were to be so regarded, it would create hindrance on the free speech and would constitute an unreasonable restriction on the Article 19(1)(a). Now the second tweet comprises of 3 elements. All 3 elements are his bona fide opinion about the state affairs in the country in which democracy had been substantially destroyed and role of Supreme Court in the destruction of democracy, particularly the last for CGI. See, such expression of opinion, however outspoken, however disagreeable, however unpalatable, but cannot constitute a contempt of court. To support this, I have a lot of reference which can be seen, like press conference of 4 Supreme Court judges, sexual harassment case against Ranjan Gogoi, then his nomination to the Rajya Sabha, and most importantly, non-consideration of Kashmir detention, fraud of PM Care Fund, electoral bond. These are some happenings which create issue of concern in mind of every citizen of India. Whether he is an advocate, activist like Prashant Bhushan, or any citizen or retired judge, or you who is listening to me right now. We all are concerned about this. Raising question is something, essence of democracy. That all institutions, including the judiciary, function for the citizen and the people of this country. And we have every right to freely and fairly discuss the state affairs of an institution and build the public opinion in order to reform the institution. Contempt is a case in which judge is victim, judge is prosecutor, and judge is judging his own case, which is against the fair trial principle of natural justice, that is, nemo juris causa sua. Nobody can be judged in his own cause. We all need to understand one thing. Judges are guardian of public interest. They are promoter of human rights. They are for securing the justice for poor people. The greatest glory of judge is not to give judgment after judgment, but the greatest glory of judge is on giving the judgment which paves the way of justice toward humanity. For that matter, he should be large-hearted. He needs to be tolerant. He should show some compassion towards the people. Thank you for listening me. दिस इज आकाश फ्रॉम देशभक्ति से दरालिता। जय हिंद, जय भारत।